You know that phone you're probably holding right now? What if I told you it could do way, way more than just text and take pictures? What if it had like a secret superpower?
Well, guess what? It can. There are these things called AI apps, and they're basically here to turn your phone into a little superhero that fits right in your pocket.
So let's talk about your phone's new superpowers. First up, what even are AI apps? Okay, think of them like this. They're tiny, super smart helpers that live inside your phone. They use what's called artificial intelligence to do all sorts of amazing stuff, like writing for you, creating pictures just from your words, and even helping you learn things. Basically, just making your life a whole lot easier.
And let me tell you, these apps are getting crazy popular. Seriously, get this. In just the first half of 2025, people spent a whopping 15.6 billion hours using AI apps. That is a ton of time with these smart helpers.
All right, first up, let's talk about the apps that create for you. These are the ones that can help you unleash your inner artist.
Have you ever taken a photo and just thought, man, I wish I could make this look cooler? You know, turn it into something that looks like a real piece of art. Well, now you totally can. With AI apps like PixArt, you can take a regular photo, like this cute dog here on the left, and tell the AI to transform it into something wild, like a king in an old-timey painting. I mean, how cool is that? You just type what you want, and boom!
And these creative apps are just packed with other cool tools. You can instantly erase the background from any photo, create ads for social media in just a few seconds, or, like we saw, turn your words into a completely unique picture. You can even make videos for your social media.
Okay, next up, let's look at the apps that help you learn. Think of these as your own personal pocket tutor.
We've all been there, right? You're staring at a homework assignment, there's this really hard math problem, and you have absolutely no clue what to do.
Well, there's an app for that. With PhotoMath, you just point your phone's camera at the problem, scan it, and bam! Not only does it give you the answer, but it actually shows you the step-by-step way to solve it. It's a lifesaver.
But hey, what if it's not about schoolwork? Maybe you've got a vacation coming up and you want to learn a new language.
For that, you've got to check out Duolingo. It uses AI to teach you, but honestly, it makes learning a language feel like you're just playing a fun game on your phone. It's awesome.
And finally, let's talk about your personal AI assistant. These are the apps that can help you with, well, pretty much anything.
These apps are basically like having a super smart friend you can chat with anytime. You can ask them for ideas, get answers to tricky questions, or even get help with your writing.
The two biggest ones you'll hear about are ChatGPT and Google Gemini. ChatGPT is incredible for creative ideas and writing, and you can actually have a voice chat with it, just like you're talking to a real person. Then there's Google Gemini, which is fantastic for searching the web and planning things because it connects right into your other Google apps like Maps and Docs.
So what can you actually do with one of these assistants? Oh, pretty much anything you can think of. You can have it write an email for you, plan out an entire vacation itinerary, explain a really difficult topic in simple terms. You can even brainstorm names for a new pet, or get help writing computer code. The possibilities are endless.
So, there you have it, a quick look at some of the incredible superpowers that AI apps can give to your phone. If you enjoyed these tips, do us a favor and hit that like button. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next explainer.
All right, so after seeing all that, I've got a question for you. Which one of these AI apps would you download first? Let us know your pick down in the comments below.